Well, welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi Correct Pidgin and 9 would they do. Okay, I don't know whether you don't hear this particular story. It happened yesterday for Benin Republic. 10 players will I say their age now 17. They be one go under 17. They just sentence them to 1 month in prison. Okay, may I give you the full story? Benin Republic, they commot them for under 17 African Cup of Nations because they carry players who don't pass 17. They carry people who be elder for village. They carry people who don't born 5 children. They carry people who don't born 3 children. Carry them one go play under 17. Now, after they discover all these particular players, 10 of them, they come up Benin Republic for the competition. Benin Republic court converse. Say when I don't go follow our hand that side. Knock them 1 month in prison. So they ask, you get some people for we country here. Then they like God is under 17, but we know say they no be under 17. Make we they carry them, they go prison too. So people will they stop to they lie their age when they won't go competition.